Finviz Elite app pricing explained what you get for your money. Finviz Elite is a powerful stock screening and market analysis platform designed for serious investors. Many people assume that professional-grade stock tools come with complex pricing and hidden fees, but Finviz keeps it simple and transparent. Finviz Elite costs $50 per month or $50 annually, granting access to advanced stock screeners, real-time data, intraday charts, and backtesting tools. This subscription also removes ads and provides unlimited screener results, which is a huge upgrade over the free version. Most people get this wrong by assuming that the free Finviz version is enough for active trading. While the free version offers basic screening and charts, it lacks real-time quotes, advanced filters, and exportable data. For example, if you're trying to identify momentum stocks with precise technical indicators, only the Elite version will give you accurate, up-to-the-minute results. The surprising truth is that Finviz Elite isn't just for day traders, it's also valuable for long-term investors who want to track trends, screen for undervalued stocks, and create alerts for potential opportunities. You can set up multiple screener criteria, track insider trading, and even simulate trades to refine your strategy. In conclusion, Finviz Elite pricing is straightforward and delivers professional-level market insights for a modest monthly fee. By understanding what's included real-time data, advanced filters, and free experience, you can see why serious investors consider it a must-have tool for smarter trading and investing decisions.